children, good morning. How are you doing today? Hope all of you are doing well. Yes, welcome to our school, Sri Vedadya Universe School. You are in grade 2 and our subject now is English, and all of you know that I am Kamala. So, yesterday what we have done yesterday, you learned about the articles. So, today let us do some phonic sounds. Digraphs. Let us see what are digraphs. More deeply you will learn in your phonics class. Here we are just touching, we are just seeing how we sound these letters, the combination of these letters like SH, CH, TH. This one also you have learned in your first standard, in your phonics book. So let us see. Usually what sound do we get if we, what is the sound for S? S is and H is H. Then what will be the sound H? But it is not H. What is the sound of SH? We say sh. Sh. We get the sound of sh. Like that, it means we are getting a different sound. We are getting a different sound, that is called digraphs. If we get it, that combination of two letters gives a different sound, then it is called digraph. Now let us see CH. What is the sound of the letter C? K. Soft K. And H is H. So K, H. But this doesn't sound like that. CH is Ch. SH is Sh. CH is Ch. And the same way TH. T, H. T. Not T. It's Th. The sound. Now let us write some words starting with this sound, ending with that sound, and also there are some words where you get this sound in between of the word. So if we start, okay, first let us write some words starting with SH. The word which you know very well is shop. SH is sh. OP is op. Shop. SH IP. SH is sh. IP is ip. Ship. Very good. SH is sh. OW is o. Show. So this is the starting of SH. Now let us see if we get at the ending SH. B R U S H. B R U is br. Br. SH gives here sh sound. So brush. Like that. P S H. P SH is sh. Push. Sometimes you give a sound, sometimes you sound. Push. Now TRASH. TR is tr. SH is sh. Trash. Trash. Brush. SH is at the end. S. Push. SH. Now if we get the SH at the end of the word, we say it final digraph. And if it starts with SH, we say it is initial digraph. Means initial means starting, it is in the starting. Final means it is at the end of the word. And also there are some words where we get it in the middle of the word, like brush, ing. Brushing. ING is ing. BRU is br. Brushing. Here you got it in the middle, center. Not center, in the middle. Next, push. Push. Ing. Here also in the middle. Now this is the SH sound. Now let us see the next one, CH sound. CH gives what sound? Ch. Ch. Let us now write some words starting with the ch sound. Chick. chick. CK is k, chick. IP is ip, chip. IN is in, chin. So these are some words where we are writing CH initial, means it's called the initial digraph. We are starting with CH. Now let us see some words which end with CH. M A T C H, match. MAT is match. CH, match. CH is cat. CH is catch. Now let us see in the middle. We can write the same word, matching. Now here we got a CH in the middle. Matching. Catching. This is how we read it. Chick. Here comes in the starting. Chick, initial digraph. Match. Here CH at the end of the word. So it is final digraph. Here matching in the middle. We are getting the CH sound in the middle of the word. Now let us go for the third one. TH. TH. Now let us see some words which start with TH. TH, EN, then. TH, IS. IS is. TH is this, sound. And TH, ROW, throw. Row, ROW is O. Row, throw, throw. Now let us see at the end. Breath. It's not breathe. If we write E, it's breathe. Breath. Width. So here we are getting at the end. Now, if we want to see in the middle, BREATH is breath. But if we add ing, it becomes breathe. Breathing. Here it is in the middle. Here we are getting the th sound at the end of the word. With breath. Here in the starting. Then this throw. The. So these are the sounds of SH, CH and TH. They are very important, children. Usually when you are using the phone, they read like s, but it is sh, ch, th. So again I gave you some homework. This one is also very easy. You have done in your first standard. Here you can draw like this. I will send you the picture of this one. Here you just join SH with OP, right in this blank, shop. SH with IP, ship. I gave you only the starting SH sound only, not the ending and the middle one. So we send you a picture like this. You do your homework and again send us. I hope all of you understood and have a nice day. Goodbye, children.